In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid malware with the help of Nordvpn. In today's digital world, malware is one of the biggest threats to our online safety. But don't worry, by following a few simple steps, you can protect yourself and your data from these harmful attacks. First and foremost, exercise caution with any links that seem out of place or suspicious, particularly those you encounter in emails or pop-up windows. Cybercriminals often use these to trick unsuspecting users into downloading malicious software, so always verify the legitimacy of a link before clicking it. One quick and effective way to do this is by hovering over the link to view the URL. If it looks suspicious, don't click it. When it comes to downloading apps or software, it's vital to use official sources only. Stick to trusted platforms such as the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or other well-known secure websites. These platforms usually have security checks in place to help ensure that what you're downloading is safe and legitimate. This drastically reduces the risk of inadvertently downloading a harmful program that could compromise your device or data. Using a secure browser is another great way to protect yourself from malware. Browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Brave are generally considered secure, especially if you pair them with privacy extensions. These extensions can help block unwanted ads, protect your personal information, and provide an extra layer of security against online threats, making your browsing experience not only safer, but also more private. Now let's talk about NordVPN's threat protection feature, a powerful tool to enhance your online security. When enabled on your PC or Mac, it shields you from a variety of online threats. It blocks access to malicious websites, preventing the possibility of accidentally landing on one and facing potential attacks. Plus, it stops malware-laced downloads from even reaching your device, keeping it safe from harm. But that's not all. NordVPN's threat protection also blocks trackers and ads, which are often used to gather information about your online activities without your consent. By keeping trackers at bay, this feature ensures your privacy is well guarded, providing peace of mind as you browse. Turning on NordVPN's threat protection is a simple task. Start by opening the NordVPN app on your device, then navigate to the threat protection option in the settings menu. Finally, just toggle it on. With this feature active, you can enjoy the added security layers it provides, significantly boosting your protection against online threats. By following these steps, you can make your online experience significantly safer, reducing the risk of falling victim to malware. Stay vigilant and proactive in your approach to digital security, and you'll navigate the web with much greater confidence.